Hello guys, Rob here. It is that time of the month again. Time for you to make sure you have completed your tasks for this month's Parsl SEED airdrop. We have 2 days, 17 hours, and 40 minutes to go here at the time of this recording before the lock for this month's airdrop. And this month there is 4 survey questions that you need to fill out on parslreward.co. Where do you get your general crypto news from? Put in your answer, submit it. What is your favorite crypto YouTuber? Of course, it's hodleos, of course. Why? Because of the SEED airdrop reminders, of course. Talking about SEED, that's why we love this channel. What is your favorite cryptocurrency exchange and why? And we also have which other crypto would you most like to see SEED paired with. So you fill those out and you will be eligible for this month's Parsl SEED airdrop. If this is your first time learning about the Parsl SEED airdrop, this is the last couple of airdrops we have. You come on to parslreward.co, sign up. In the profile page, you connect your EOS account, and on your EOS account, make sure you have your SEED tokens staked using something like eostoolkit.io. They have a section there for staking your SEED tokens. And complete your tasks, and then you'll be eligible for this month's airdrop. Now, SEED are available on new decks, and though we don't have crazy prices like we saw last month, still for every 100,000 SEED you have staked, we're looking at somewhere around 5 EOS worth of SEED tokens being dropped. Now that this is the couple last airdrops, they have been higher than I was expecting, so last month was almost double the amount of SEED I was expecting, so if that is the case for this month as well, maybe 10 EOS worth of SEED dropped for every 100,000 SEED tokens staked. So definitely getting some hefty airdrops here for these last couple. Just a quick bit of Parsl SEED news. Parsl is joining Worbly. This makes sense. The cannabis industry, you need KYC. You need to know who your customer is to make sure they are legal and just to keep everything above board. But for the airdrop purposes, everything is done on EOS. So make sure in the next 2 days, 17 hours, if you have SEED tokens staked, jump onto parslreward.co and complete your tasks so you can get this month's airdrop. With just a couple left to go, make sure you take advantage of these last couple of airdrops. And in other news, Telos Rex is now live with under 25 million TLOS staked in Rex right now. We are looking at 60% returns. The 30% Rex return number was calculated off of 50 million Rex staked. So with about half that number, you're looking at about double the returns coming in right now. And you can see every 30 minutes, the price of Rex token goes up. Great time to be in Telos Rex right now. If you're not on Telos and you want to learn more, I will leave a link in the description. Thanks to the Telos community for their support via the worker proposal system. But that's going to do it for me for this one. If you got any questions, pop them down into the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one.